Tai nuotaka bus labai graži, tai va, šiandien aš jausius kaip Eglė tada.
Prašom, nu, aišku, galėjimą, taip. Prašome. Prie foto senelės su medaliais, štai čia, labai gerai.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We have many participants, and the festival is happening in the whole city actually. We have a pink soup parade, we have the pink waiters run where the servers will be balancing bowls of soup, and many other activities, a pink slide from the hill just in the old town.
O jis žodėl dar ves tiesioginę transliaciją. Pažiūrėsim, kuo tai baigsis. Daugiau vardo. Paulius, būtent Paulius. Paulius, kuris savo vaiką pametė renginį.
Kol tu...
This festival is already gaining a status of an iconic event, a signature event. They say it usually takes around 5 years for an event to become a signature event. And Vilnius Pink Soup Fest is happening for the 3rd time, so it's the 3rd year. And the organizers expect that it will be happening for many years to come.
Smile!
Wait.